Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This time I'll be sharing with you how I rerooted this hair for my doll Neecha. As you can see, it's just made up of acrylic yarn, something, the kind that you can buy from your local art store. They're not expensive and I think they look great. So if you're interested, keep on watching. So yeah, here is my stash of pre-cut yarn strands. You don't really need that much. I just prepared them that much. I just prepared a lot because it was supposed to be for a project that I scrapped. So it's not really for Neecha initially, but then I thought, hey, I think my girl Neecha would love that. Her complexion, I think, suits that color combination well. Don't you think so? So, all right. So here, as I remove Neecha's head for now, so that it's easier to place all the strands around her scalp. So aside from the acrylic yarn, we also need a huge needle like this one. I think it's 4 inches long. And then a small needle too with a thread so you can easily insert your yarn and put it on the scalp, or insert on the scalp, or poke into your scalp. And I'm sorry it took me that long to decide where my hair parting is. That's because I haven't really decided at that time what her hair is gonna be. And yeah, so up next you just tie the bottom so that your strand won't easily come off. And then I decided on putting grays on top of her crown, and then I also decided that my main hair, her main hair would be the taupe colored yarns. It looks like it took me the whole day to do just those strands. Believe me, I just took a break. I had dinner, spent time with family, and continued working on this at night before bedtime. So yeah, just continue doing that. It wouldn't take too long. As long as you have really good needles to work on with, you should be good. And then, I think during this time, I added the whites. Yes, I did. I added the whites at the bottom so that it's kind of a 3-layer hair color for her. And I thought, I think it would look great that way. So as you can see, I still have a lot left on my yarns. And then the next day, I went and untangled each and every strand of the yarn. It's not also hard, guys. It's just you can watch TV or watch your favorite show on Netflix, whatever, and untangle like so. Yeah, you loosen up each strand, use a tweezer like so, and then place each one so to separate like so. Yeah, and then you just continue to do that for all the strands you have. I still have bold spots for her, but I didn't mind because I know it can't be seen easily anyway once she has her like afro on when I style her. So yeah, I don't think you should be stressing out on that. So there, I think I was happy at that time with the way I kind of placed the strands, different colors, but I still went on, as you can see. Yeah, because some are misplaced, I guess, or not separated properly. But yeah, I assure you, it's not a very hard or time consuming project. But I'm loving her hair. I'm loving the way Neecha is looking in my photographs. So, yeah. So, the next step here is I actually looked at Pinterest and looked for hairstyles that like blonde afro hairs, or not necessarily afro, but really curly hairs, blonde curly golden hairstyles. And I think I found one already, and so I started cutting them. Oh wait, I think I parted them the way I wanted first, and then yeah, cut the bangs and started sculpting. Make sure that your scissors are appropriate, I guess. In my case, it's just a small scissor, but it's very sharp, so you have to be very careful as well with cutting, because just be careful, okay? I remember feeling so proud and happy and thought, wow, I think one of the best jobs in the world is to cut hair. I wonder why I didn't pursue that, but it feels nice to just sculpt. I think I'm happy at this time. Almost. I think I kind of like already established the shape I wanted for Neecha's hair this time. Mm. I love Pinterest. Anyway, so after doing that, the next day I think I went on and started repainting Neecha. I'm sorry I wasn't able to record the repainting part because I'm actually not confident with my skills with repainting, so I can't really show much of my skills yet, but I promise you guys, when I get confident, I will share with you my process. But I love her face. I love how it came out. I love how realistic and simple it is. Oh, look at my brushes. They're very small. These are the materials I have. I have acetone and this acrylic wash paint, some Q-tips, small, really small brushes, like 30 small brushes, and that very long one. I used to paint a lot with watercolor and stuff, so I have this on standby. Also, so that her hair is not too what's the word, too fuzzy, I I I mixed water and acrylic medium and gave it a like a kind of like a hairspray gel, hair gel kind of effect, so that they keep together. They stay together somehow, or they keep solid together. So, yeah, I'm loving how it looks on my dear Neecha, and I hope you love it too. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.